Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your ASUS Zenfone Max M2, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now go for the connected devices and tap on the connection preferences. Then we have to go for the printing and tap on the default print service. Right now our smartphone is looking for the printer. Okay, as you can see it takes too long, so we have to go back and enter the HP print service. And there's the plugin that I download from the Play Store, so you have to click on the add service and get the plugin from the brand of your printer, right? So if you're using the HP, you get this one. If you're using the brother, you have to click on it and tap on the install. Then just go back and click on it. And as you can see right now it's working. So you have to choose your printer, and if you want to print something, go for the things that you want to print. In my case I will go for this picture. For example, click on the three dots right here in the right upper corner and tap on the print. Click on the select printer, and right now you have to go for your printer. So I will go for maybe this one. Okay, and all you have to do is just to click on this icon, and right now your printer is going to print the thing that you select. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.